welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna share with you how I made this beautiful flower centerpiece. One thing that I absolutely love about this flower centerpiece is that how versatile it can be. You can make it work for any kind of celebrations, events, or seasonal decor. If you want it to work for Thanksgiving, just pull out the flowers, add some leaves and fall decorations, and that would be absolutely beautiful. Same thing with the Christmas decorations. If you want it to work for wedding or bridal shower, you can add some pictures to the picture frames and make it very sentimental and unique. The possibilities are endless. If you happen to make it, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your creations. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you happen to be new here, please subscribe. I would love to have you here. Without further ado, let's get into the video. For this project, you're going to need 4 picture frames. These are 8 by 10. I purchased them from Dollarama. They might be a little bit too big. You can choose smaller ones or any size that you like. Then you're gonna need some flowers or greeneries. You can buy them from dollar store or Dollarama. They have very beautiful flowers. You're gonna need some popsicle sticks and hot glue, scissors, a little bit of more strong glue, either E6000 or Gorilla, and you're gonna need floral foam, also decorative green moss, and you can get all of those things from dollar store as well. So the picture frames that I have purchased have 2 layers of glasses. This would have been ideal if I wanted to use a picture for my project, but since I'm not going to use the picture and that paper is attached to one of the glasses, I'm just gonna remove the glass altogether to save time and also make it more clean looking, and I'm doing that to all 4 picture frames here. Then I'm trying to remove the hooks that hung the picture frame on the wall. Each of them comes with 2 of them. I'm trying to make a flat surface and a clear surface where I'll be gluing the picture frames to make a box. You might be wondering why I'm using 2 different glues here. The reason is, even though the Gorilla glue is very strong, but it takes quite a long time to dry, while the hot glue gun takes only a few minutes or even seconds for it to dry, and it helps me to place the frames in the correct position while the Gorilla is drying for a longer time but more permanent attachment. So I'm trying to cut the floral foam in a way that it covers the majority of the surface. There's no right or wrong. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just think about what is the best way to cover the most area on the surface. Since my foam is a little bit smaller than the box, I'm trying to attach these popsicle sticks to the foam so that I can attach them to the box. It helps more stability and also a little bit better support. To cover up the appearance of the popsicle sticks and also give it a more beautiful look, I'm adding some decorative moss. I'm just using hot glue gun to attach them to the popsicle sticks. Here I'm using Mod Podge adhesive spray, and I use this spray on the moss to stop it from dropping debris and shedding, and it actually worked very well. I can't say 100%, but I was very pleased with the result. And finally, we get to the funnest part of this project, and that's the flower arrangement. I know there are several guidelines when it comes to flower arrangement, but forget about all of those. Try to have fun, put them together in a way that you feel it's pleasant to your eyes, and try to enjoy.